Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Ford Fiesta car jack. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Park your vehicle on a level, firm surface, well away from any traffic. Engage the parking brake fully and put the car into first gear or reverse if it's a manual. For an automatic, select park. Place wheel chocks on the wheel diagonally opposite the one you intend to lift. This prevents any unexpected rolling. Next, gather your tools. Your Ford Fiesta's jack, lug wrench, and wheel chocks are typically found in the spare wheel compartment in the trunk. The jack handle often doubles as the wheel brace. Locate the designated jack points on your car's chassis, usually reinforced areas near each wheel. Before lifting, use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you'll be removing. Now, position the jack. Place the jack head securely under the correct jack point, ensuring it makes firm contact. If using a floor jack, a hockey puck or wood block can protect the chassis. Slowly raise the vehicle, watching to ensure the jack remains stable and the car lifts evenly. Continue until the tire is completely clear of the ground. For safety, always place jack stands under the vehicle's frame rails before working underneath. Once your work is complete, carefully lower the vehicle. If using jack stands, raise the car slightly with the jack to remove the stands, then slowly lower the car until the tire touches the ground. Fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Finally, remove the jack and any chocks, then store all your tools securely in their proper locations in the trunk.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.